Here are my two absolute favorite sourcing softwares for online arbitrage. Number one, Source Mogul. Number two, Tactical Arbitrage. Source Mogul is an absolute beast of a software. The great thing about Source Mogul is that it's extremely user-friendly. You can learn it in a matter of minutes. You can hit the ground running with it. And there is really no time in the scans. Once you put in a search, it will scan it pretty quickly and you will get the results. In the results, you can filter out things like hazmat or multi-packs, or if Amazon is on the listing and you don't want to see Amazon on the listing. Everything that Tactical Arbitrage has, Source Mogul has as well, but in a more user-friendly manner. Things like reverse sourcing, where you can spy on competitors. And it has one thing that Tactical Arbitrage doesn't have, which is their new Google Chrome extension. With this Google Chrome extension, you can scan manually through the software sites, any site that you want. Meaning you are not limited to the sites that the software carries. This is a huge advantage because if you find a sale or clearance in a specific website, you can just run the Google Chrome extension on those pages alone and you can get results within 2 minutes. Whereas Tactical Arbitrage, if they don't carry that website, then you're out of luck. Now, to be fair to Tactical Arbitrage as well, that is a monster of a software. It's extremely robust, and I use both softwares to source for leads. The great thing that Tactical Arbitrage has is that it allows you to scan a huge repertoire of sites. They have hundreds of websites already tagged on their system. So if you're just starting out and you want a user-friendly solution, then I would highly recommend Source Mogul. And then once you're ready to expand your business, go to Tactical Arbitrage as well. That's what I do. Now, both softwares offer a 7-day free trial where you can try the software for absolutely free. If you're interested in getting a 10-day free trial, so 3 more days, then go to my profile on my bio, and then you can click on that link for each software, and through my link you will get 10 days, 3 additional days to try out the software absolutely for free to see if you like it. But my guess is that you will.